Cash is garbage, it's pieces of garbage paper. It is only useful when it is used, if you're taking notes.
You need to dream big. I mean, you cannot dream big enough. I'm telling you, you can't dream big enough. You can do more than you're doing, but you can't do more than you're doing if you hang around with little thinkers. That could be your family members, could be your friends, could be people you're going to school with and hanging out with. Look, there's a time and a place to hang out with those people. Can't pick your family. I mean, they say you can't. I wonder sometimes if we don't actually do the picking and just show up there. But I'll save that for another conversation. But I do know once you get with your family, the family that you picked or they picked, or however that might work, the selection process, wherever you went to school or go to school, or where you grew up or how you grew up or the religion you grew up in, or whether you're white or black or brown, male or female, the question's always going to be, what can you do to do more with your life? Find your mission, to find your purpose, to find what you're great at, to get great at the things maybe that you're not great at, that you don't even like doing. Like you're young, you're trying to figure it out. And I would tell the young me.
It's been a long road to get where I'm at right now today. Some of you may have run into me just 2 or 3 months ago or a year ago, and you're like, oh dude, the guy's got a car, he's got a plane, you know, he's got money, he's got a hot wife. Where's Elena? And you think, oh, he's got it all made, but it's been a very, very, very long road getting here. Okay, it's been 32 years of pushing, shoving. I've invested money that I didn't have. I went into debt when my friends were listening to Dave Ramsey, pay everything off. I'm trying to expand, Uncle Dave. I got great at a job I hated, absolutely hated this job at 25 years old. And I decided I didn't have any more choices. I needed to get great at that job. I've thrown myself into the face of rejection tens of thousands of times. So when you like, man, Grant, it hurts. I don't feel sorry for you. I don't even feel it anymore. I've done it so many times. I'm like, oh yeah, that's exactly what's supposed to happen right here. Click. And you guys are like, oh, I'm not cut out for this. This is what you have to go through.
Grant Cardone, The Mindset of High Achievers. From his book, The 10X Rule, Grant Cardone has quickly gained a reputation as one of the most respected and influential entrepreneurs in the USA. He has given many great speeches, and in this video, we are going to discuss the mindset of high achievers from Grant Cardone. Grant says that the saying about the USA, that goes the land of the brave and the home of the free, is not true anymore. It is not relevant anymore, because now, most people do not work as much as they used to. He uses statistics to give a clear vision of the condition. Further, he adds that most people have become used to the fact that they can give up. Most people just accept the fact that they do not have any money, and then they settle for less than their potential. They repent that they do not have any savings and are afraid of losing money. While the truth is that Grant has always advocated for people to save and invest their money, he always discusses methods and strategies by which you can make money. But at the same time, most people just keep on overspending, and then they are suffocated with tons of loans. Grant Cardone always recommends people to multiply money with money, and this is how, he says, the mindset of high achievers is very different from people who just give in and settle for paychecks and loans.
I'm not trying to hustle. I'm not trying to grind. I'm not thinking about, oh, I got to go into freaking beast mode now. You know, this is how I operate.
Yeah.
This isn't, for me, this isn't an Instagram post. You know, it's not like, hey, look at, you know, I'm in beast mode or I got to grind. You know, somebody said yesterday, they said, man, you're the most positive person that I know. And I'm like, dude, really, I'm not really. I'm not really a very positive person. But I don't think good things just happen. I think for me to ever, you know, have a good outcome, I've just had to work really hard, you know, like I don't get on the front of a magazine easily. I'm gonna have to work at that. I'm just really hard on myself. You know, somebody said, man, you're hard on people. I said, dude, I'm hard on me. Because I believe in my potential. You know, I this isn't a positive attitude thing. I believe in my potential. I'm a really, like, I'm probably one of the most honest people I know. And I can't fake it. Like they say, fake it till you make it. I've never been able to do that. Like, that's not even like, dude, why fake it till you make it? Why don't you just make it? This is what they didn't teach you in school. This is the only reason I went to school. I wanted money. 64% of all businesses in America break even or lose money. Listen to what I'm telling you right now. 64% of every business in America, there's 28 million of them, break even or lose money. And it doesn't matter if the economy's good or bad. They break even or lose money. Here's the freaking phenomenal thing, okay? Break even shouldn't be a category. Who would make break even a category? Breaking even is losing. If I told you that you're gonna put a bunch of resources, a bunch of time, you're gonna work your ass off every day, you're not gonna see your wife and your kids most of the time, you're gonna be terrified every second of every day to break even, what would you say? Look, if you don't have your thing, whatever it is, the job, the money, the girl, your goals, your dreams, you gotta leave where you are. You can't win a mission from home. We don't win wars at home. You understand? You gotta go someplace.